Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the small cap world every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great small cap investments. Wednesday, April the 15th, 4 great press releases for you, 2 financial results, and 2 out of the resources space. Let's get straight to it. Going to get to the results first. China Information Security Technology trades on the NASDAQ under CPBY. They announced newly signed contracts in the first quarter of 2009 were valued about $18.5 million. They won contracts from 14 provinces and provincial cities, bring the total number of cities in which they have a presence in China to 28. Some of the important contracts here: patented medical case statistics software for the health department of Guangdong province, $2.5 million. First responder coordination platform for the Shenzhen Transportation Bureau, that's about $800,000. And for Shenzhen, a traffic police GIS system valued at $1.7 million. GIS, for those of you who don't know, is a geographic information systems, and that's what I like about this company. They're a full-service GIS solutions provider to the public security and civil use markets in China. Going to be a pretty important use of technology going forward. The CEO had a really interesting comment here. First of all, a majority of these revenues are expected to be realized in 2009. Very important. He also said, we remain confident in achieving our 2009 guidance due to a number of reasons, including the effect of China's infrastructure stimulus plan and the ongoing construction of the 2011 World University Games. Go take a look at what their previous guidance was for 2009. If they're confident they're going to hit it, that's great. The company closed yesterday at $2.93, way off its high of $8, with $7.99 to be exact, and but off its low of $1.82. Good announcement there. Always like to see small cap companies striking deals at the government level. Next up, Buffalo Resources trades on the Venture Exchange in Canada under BFR. They're announcing record results for 2008. Some great numbers here. Here are the highlights. Cash flow up 311% to $31.5 million, or 43 cents per share. Really important when you consider the fact that the company closed at 54 cents per share yesterday. So they got cash flow 43 cents per share. Great valuation there. Earnings, $8.8 million, or 12 cents per share. Again, if you work out that multiple, you're talking about a company trading at 4.5 times earnings based on what it closed at yesterday. This compares to a loss of $5.2 million last year. So great result. Daily average production increased 11% to about 3,280 barrels of oil equivalent per day. They reduced their debt to $51.8 million from $63.6 million. So they're doing great work on the balance sheet. And it says here they got a net asset value of about $3.14 per diluted share. Go take a look at this. This is fantastic valuation. The company closed yesterday at 54 cents. Its range is $1.54 to as low as 20 cents over the last 52 weeks, and they got a market cap of $41 million. But based on what I'm seeing there, those are great numbers, great valuations. Go take a look. Go take a look at that company. Evolving Gold is a client of AGORACOM. Got to disclose that. But great news out of them. They continue to do well. We brought them on at about 17 cents, closed yesterday at 37 cents. Here's what they announced. They defined extensive zone of gold mineralization at Rattlesnake Hills. This is in Wyoming. Some of the highlights: the re-assay program increased the grade by 10%, and there's a 30 to 35 hole drill program scheduled for early May. They defined a zone of gold mineralization at the North Stalk target. Listen to this: 450 meters long, approximately 200 meters wide, and extending from surface to at least 550 meters deep, where it remains open. The company also says it remains open to the west, east, and south, and may continue to the north. So this thing is wide open. Within this zone of gold mineralization, 41.6% of all meters of core drilled fall within the significant intervals of gold mineralization. So what does that mean? They define that as being at least 6 meters long with a grade cutoff of 0.25 grams per ton of gold. I've got a quote here from the company's president and CEO. The 10% increase in grade is particularly significant because of the large zone of gold mineralization. Our new drill program will expand our understanding of this gold system and will better define both the high-grade mineralization and the geometry and potential for a large open pit target. Congratulations to Quinton and his team over there. Closed yesterday at 37 cents. Go take a look. They are a client. Always got to disclose that. But clients don't make it onto AGORACOM TV unless they've got great news out of Evolving Gold. And on that note, we've also got New Dawn Mining trades on the TSX under ND, also an AGORACOM client. Just one of those days where we've got a couple of big client pieces of news. They announced that they received payment in US dollars for 2 gold bars they export to South Africa. They received payment the gold bars weighed in total about 19.8 kilograms, 636 ounces, and they were produced from their Turk mine in Zimbabwe. The payment received totaled about $551,000 US. That turns out to be about 870 ounce. The sale price turns out to be about 870 dollars per ounce of gold. Pretty good, less some of the direct costs of the sale. And most importantly, what I like about this press release, the company says, the sale provides sufficient working capital for New Dawn to begin to purchase goods and services to support expanded operations at their Turk mine. This is what I love about New Dawn. They're a producing company. This is a company that's actually producing gold, several thousand ounces, millions of dollars in revenue last year. Go take a look at the number. They're concentrating their efforts in Southern Africa, if you don't know, particularly in Zimbabwe where the Turk mine is. But in Southern Africa right now, they've got 3 mines, 2 production facilities, and significant resources. Go take a look. Closed yesterday at 70 cents. Their 52-week low is 5 cents. So they made some great strides over the last 52 weeks. That's a wrap. As always, if you look for more great small cap companies, don't forget about the AGORACOM front page where we've got great news listed by industry, and we've also got our marketplace of close to 65 companies. We're getting towards that AGORACOM 100 slowly but surely, but that's what happens when you focus on quality over quantity. But in the meantime, go there. You'll find companies like New Dawn Mining. You'll find companies like Evolving Gold and other great companies in non-resource industries, and you'll find the one that best suits your portfolio. That's a wrap. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.